Every individual is different from one another in terms of their speech, word, appearance, their response to stress, personality, and environment. In the science of Ayurveda, we call these differences or variations as Prakriti. The Prakriti of an individual is present since birth and remains constant throughout the life. The Prakriti of an individual depends on either of the combination or predominance of three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta or Kapha. The Prakriti of an individual helps in diagnosis of a disease and thus helps in planning the diet and lifestyle of an individual in order to have a healthy life. So now let us see the Prakriti of an individual who is predominantly of Pitta dosha.
In Charaka Samhita Vimanasthana 8th chapter, Acharya Charaka has explained the Lakshanas of Pitta Prakriti as Pittam Ushnam Tikshnam Dravam Visram Amlam Katukam Cha. Tasya Ushnat Pittala Bhavanti Ushna Asaha Ushna Mukhaha Sukumara Avadata Gatraha Prabhuta Viplu Vyangatila Pidakaha Kshitpipasavantaha Kshipravali Palita Khalitya Doshaha Prayo Mridvalpa Kapila Shmashruloma Keshascha. तैक्ष्ण्या तीक्ष्णपराक्रमाः तीक्ष्णाग्नयः प्रभूताशनपानाः क्लेश असहिष्णवो दन्दशूकाः. द्रवत्वात् शिथिलमृदुसन्धिमांसाः प्रभूतसृष्टस्वेदमूत्रपुरुषाश्च. विस्रत्वात् प्रभूतपूतिकक्षास्य शिरः शरीरगन्धाः. कटु अम्लत्वात् अल्पशुक्रव्यवायापत्याः. त एवं गुणयोगात् पित्तला मध्यबला मध्यायुषो मध्यज्ञानविज्ञानवित्तोपकरणवन्तश्च भवन्ति. In Sushruta Samhita Sharirasthana 4th chapter, Acharya Sushruta has explained the Anukatva of Pitta Prakriti as Bhujangoluka Gandharva Yaksha Marjara Banaraihi Vyagraksha Nakulanukaihi Paitikastu Naraha Smritaha. According to Acharya Bhagbhata, the other lakshanas of Pitta Prakriti are Tamranakhanayana Jivhosta Panipadatalah Svadutikta Kashaya Shitabhilashopashayascha Bhavati. सुप्तः पश्येत् कर्णिकारान् पलाशान् तिग्धाहोल्का विद्युदर्कनलांश्च। According to Acharya Sharangdhara, अकालपरितैर्व्याप्तो धीमान् स्वेदी च रोषणः स्वप्नेषु ज्योतिषां दृष्टा पित्तप्रकृतिको नरः।